Hello everyone, let's learn how to create X or Twitter account. Do you need a X or Twitter account for yourself or your business? There are still lots of businesses that don't have a Twitter account, and because they don't, they're missing out. The good news is that it's very easy to get an account set up and ready to go, in just a matter of minutes, so stay till the end and learn how to do it. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First you need to do, is to download X app on your device, and then open the app. After that, click on little people icon in top left corner of the screen. That will open side menu, and next go on blue button where is written create account. Now you can choose between these two methods, create with Google account or you can create on basic method. I will go to create with Google account, because that is a quick and easy way. Then choose a Google account you want by tapping on it. When you do that, X app will send you on menu. You need to select your language. You can select couple of language. I will select one language, and when you select go on next, in bottom right corner. Next select your birth date. Keep in mind this is not public, and when you finish go again on next. Also you need to enable this option. On this option you will customize your experience on X app. Then X app asks you, what should we call you? And you need to enter your username. Also X app recommended you some username, and when you find username you want go on next. After that X app asks you to follow one or more account, and when you do that go on next, and that is it. Now you have X account. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.